Hello and welcome to this video on bonsai accent plants. The art of bonsai has many facets that are not always obvious or well explored. One of the more interesting but neglected areas is accent plants. These are sometimes called companion plants. These are small plants that are not trained as bonsai, but instead complement them. Much like bonsai pots, stands, and more, these improve and accentuate the trees. Accent plants vary between locations, but common examples include ferns, flowers, and grasses. Your accent plant should complement your tree. This is going to change from season to season. Try to find a plant that matches with the season and nature of your tree. This is often juxtaposed to your tree. If your tree flowers, like an azalea, then you would use a non-flowering accent plant. Conversely, if your tree does not flower, you could use a flowering accent plant. In other cases, it is a direct match, such as bloodgrass, which colors in autumn and may be used with something like a maple that has a very colorful autumn display. Your accent plant can be planted in several ways. At its most basic, it is a tiny bonsai pot without a tree in it. Instead, you plant an alternative, such as oxalis or bamboo. Others may choose a simple moss mound. The size of the plant leaves many options open. Some truly tiny examples have been planted in thimbles and tiny teacups. The versatility of where you plant it, how you plant it, and what you plant makes accent plants an entirely new area to explore. When done well, an accent plant can be a display by itself. This is because it has interesting features. It could be the color, the flowers, leaves, and branches, just like a regular bonsai. Whilst neglected, this area of bonsai as an art is having something of a resurgence, and in the future there is likely to be more focus on the use of accent plants in both displays and as part of the art in general. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it interesting, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please post any comments, questions, or suggestions below.